Hey guys, James from Bushcraft here again, and today I'm going to give you a video on how to find north, south, east, and west using just the sun and your watch. So it's quite a simple principle really. All you need to do is just have one of these Pathfinder watches, and you just need the sun so you can see your readout, and then you just press this button here. And there you go, southeast, right there. I'm just kidding, I've actually got a way that you can find north, south, east, and west using a standard hand dial watch. So all you really need is somewhere that you can see the sun clearly and you can tell your direction using a standard watch. All you need to do is take the hour hand, and we've got the sun directly ahead of me here. So you're going to just take the hour hand, so it's 1 o'clock right now, and point the hour hand directly at the sun. And then you're going to bisect the line between the hour hand and 12 o'clock on your watch, and that is going to be your south line. And once you establish south, you can pretty much figure out what's going to be north, west, and east just by having that definitive south line. So I've got my watch oriented with the hour line bisected with 12 o'clock, so that's going to be south. So where my body is going to be north. To my right is going to be west, and to my left is going to be east. And as an additional reference here, I've just got my my Silva compass out so that you can have a look at how accurate it actually is. So I've got my watch oriented right now so that the hour hand is pointed directly at the sun. And it's pretty darn accurate. My south line and my north line are pretty much bang on from my watch to my compass. So it's a handy trick to have if you're lost in the woods and you have a watch on you and you're just trying to figure out a quick orientation to find your way home. In British Columbia, where I am, there's lots of mountainous valleys that sort of lead in various directions, and so if you get over one side and you lose track of the sun, it's quite easy to get disoriented. But if you've got a watch, at least you can have a reference point as to which way you need to start heading. So that's the standard method for finding your direction in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, it's slightly different. What you would do is take the 12 o'clock on your watch and line that up with the sun, and then you would bisect the line between the 12 o'clock and your hour hand, and that would give you north. So that's the difference between the northern and the southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, you line your hour hand up with the sun, bisect the line between 12 and your hour hand, and that's going to be south. Southern hemisphere, you're lining up 12 with the sun and bisecting the line between your hour hand and 12, and that will give you north. As always guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I'm going to have another one for you next week.